Yes, sir. Hey, this is a good idea right here. A little backstopper instead of your big seats.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a compact vehicle. Solid too, man. Wow. So, did you build this?
Yes.
Nice, Roy. This looks good. So, what all equipment-based stuff do you have in here, man?
I have four Resilient Sound Team 15s on 4 MD8Ks, wired at half them.
Oh.
Yep.
Box specs?
Don't know.
You don't know?
I built the shell and
Okay. So do you know where it's peaking at or tuning at? You
don't know nothing.
Okay.
We literally got it playing
awesome.
Thursday night at 12 o'clock.
Okay. So 4 8Ks at half ohm on the Resilient Sounds. All right.
I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up. Straight. Look, I live the life I deserve. Blessed. Fuck a vacay, I feel better. I mean, whatever it's worth, I give whatever I'm worth. For my niggas who gon' go to hell and back for me, I'ma give them heaven on earth for a hell of a check, yeah, whichever come first. Me since Ed and that shit get petty, bitch. Don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. This ain't what I want, man. It's what it had to be. This is that later. And after 3 minutes, it's not my homegirl was mad at me. That's why I get mad at me. It's the tightest, the pussy, the tightest, the drinks on the coldest, the future, the brightest, the phenom.
Roll that window over there.
All right. I'm gonna roll this one up. Whoa.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed.
Find the right songs. Like I said, we have absolutely no testing.
I understand. Wow.
So we have one that tends to protect if it gets into the higher frequencies.
Yeah. One of your amps probably cut off at a certain note. Yeah. It's the way your rise is reacting in certain resonance
But
frequencies.
it's only one amp.
That's weird.
Turn the AC up. Sorry about the dust.
Hey, it's all good, man.
Like, again, I guess
And you have AC in here? Nice. Okay. the subs broken in? Are they still breaking in, or
They're brand new.
brand new recons? Okay.
Wednesday night.
Really? Wow. Just get it planned then. Okay. That's really good. And the window doesn't even hardly move. Y'all did a good job. Oh yeah, nice work.
Elaborate.
Woo, thanks, Roy. Holy smokes, man. I know you got trial and error, you're still learning, but I got a demo. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Nice to meet you again, Roy. Yeah, sir. Awesome. Is the amps on both sides? Can I check it? Okay. Good luck today, man. Thanks for the demo, and it sounds really good. Hey, I think it was awesome, man. I loved it. Woo. Woo. Nice.
For a hell of a check, yeah, whichever come first. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treated me like it's a bravery. I said I'm so much father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destiny. I done lost all these women with me since Ed and Eddie. Petty, bitch, don't get no doubt to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me, this ain't what I wanted, it's what it had to be. This is Delhi, never working out the dream, and this was why my homegirl was mad at me. That's why I'm your majesty, man. Look, it's the tightest, the pussy, the tightest, the bricks are the coldest, the future, the brightest, the meaner. me since editing. Petty, bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was all for a sec, now it's back.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.